Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. Today I've got Happy Birthday Jim at Gemination. I can't say it. It's an Instagram collaboration hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s. And the theme is Paw Prints. Now, today I'm going to be using my Unagilla nail tips. And I'll also be using the Maniology sticky base on them. This is Based Loaded Lacquer Christian. And this... honeys, baby dolls, sweet peoples. This polish is insanely gorgeous. It's like dual chrome, multi-chrome, but unfortunately the camera's really not going to show you guys what I want you to see. When I put these tips on my nails and was walking around the house in the different lighting, I was floored. So here we go with the third coat of the color Christian. And I know it just looks like black right here, but it's so pretty. It's so purple. It's so pretty. I'm going to top these with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I've got to get them to dry down so that they can get some playing going on them. Yes, you guys know if I'm collabing, I'm playing. I'll be using You Are Beautiful 12. It's one of those old AliExpress knockoff plates. And I'll be using Maniology. And this one is Nightingale with the cotton hair. Yes. Yes, always. I've got out a cube stamper and my Maniology scraper. And I'm just going to plop out some images to put on these nails. And I really liked this combo. Now, these nails are a little long, so I'm going to have to do some cleaning up my stamper and getting that image clean so I can get a little bit more. I've got to pull up a little bit more image to, you know, get it on that nail. Maybe if I'd have lined it up a little better, I might would have been able to get away with it in one stamp. So, in case I forget, I should have a link down below with a hashtag for you to go check out on Instagram the other beautiful manicures in this collaboration. And maybe hop in and give Jim a happy birthday wish. It'd be really nice of you guys to do that. Blow her Instagrams up, you know. So, I'm cleaning that stamper off on a lint roller. And when I clean the plate, I do clean it with the acetone. So we're just going to get these other little paw print images. I love these. These are so cute. So our theme was paws. Could be cat paws, dog paws, bunny rabbit paws. It don't matter. Just paws. And then I'm going to get this single one here. Get that up there. Cleaning off the excess with my tape. Of course, I was out of frame, so I had to tell you exactly what I was doing. Oh, and that's so cute. So now back to the, like, really full paw image. We're going to pull that one up again. Get that excess off my stamper. All right. Get over here. And there we go. See, that time I almost fit, but I didn't stick good at the top. I should have used some of my sticky base. My Maniology sticky base. Okay. Oh. Nail falled off the sticky tack, y'all. Girls on the struggle bus today. Should be alright. And then back to the other little paws. Very, very cute. Very nice. There we go. Tap, tap, tap. Flyaways. Okay, I'm going to top these nails with some... Oh, you almost can see the color on that. So pretty. I'm going to top them with the smudge-free top coat. And then I'm using Seche Vite to go over the top. Ooh, it looks like purple royal velvet. You guys see that? Oh, it's so pretty. I'm so much in love with this. So I am going to use the little sticky tabs. Just going to mush it down on my pinky nail real quick, you know. Get it on there as good as I can. And then I got to pull off that double-sided... or the cover, whatever. And then now we're going to apply this nail. Now, if you're going to wear them. You got to hold and push those for probably about 15-30 seconds real good. There is my manicure. I hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.